Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Churros Oreo easy guide. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and line a tray with paper towels, boil water and butter, stir in flour until a dough forms, cool slightly then beat in eggs one at a time, fold in crushed Oreo pieces, fill a piping bag with a star tip, pipe 4-inch strips, fry until golden brown, toss in cinnamon sugar and serve warm. Start by combining 1 cup water with 2 tablespoons butter and a pinch of salt, bring to a boil, then stir in 1 cup flour until a smooth dough forms. Let it cool briefly, add 1 beaten egg and mix until glossy, then fold in 6 crushed Oreo cookies for flavor. Transfer to a piping bag with a star tip, pipe 3. 5-inch strips and fry at 350 degrees F until golden. Quick pause, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support simple recipes today. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after a snack run or grocery trip. I love the scent for road trips, and it pairs oddly well with dessert crumbs. Seriously, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and maintain temperature throughout frying for crisp churros. Fry strips in small batches to avoid sticking, flipping once so each side browns evenly. Drain on paper towels, immediately toss in cinnamon sugar to coat while warm, or fill with pastry cream if preferred, and present on a platter with chocolate dip. Serve hot for best texture and crunch, and enjoy with friends or family today's crowd.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.